Alright guys, I'm back at La Pavona. I just took the 50-minute ferry ride from Tortuguero. I've been there for 5 nights and it's time to move on. So today, I think the plan is to cycle down to Guapiles and then take the bus from Guapiles to Limon, which is, I think it's around 100 kilometers. The problem is the only road to Limon is a really busy highway with lots of trucks because the port, I think Costa Rica's biggest port is in Limon, and I rode a little bit on that road a few days ago when I was coming this way, and it's a bit too dangerous. So I think after that though, from Limon to Puerto Viejo, it's about 70 kilometers and it should be a lot quieter. So that's the plan for the day, but we'll see how it goes. I'll probably throw in a bit of the ferry ride now, just so you can see what it was like. Hey guys, so it's been a pretty crazy morning. So I got the bus in the end. Better move for that guy. Hey guys, so it's been a crazy morning. I got the bus in the end and now I'm in Limon. The translation was bad. I thought she said it was leaving at 2, but what she meant was it's arriving at 2. It left at 12:30. So yeah. Anyway, people are looking at me, so I'm going to get going. I'm going to see how far I can ride. Hopefully I can get to Puerto Viejo tonight. If not, there's another town only 45 kilometers from here that I should be able to stay at. Yeah, it's been a rush time, but I'm going to get going. I'm losing daylight. Hey guys, so I've been in TT mode. I've done 42 kilometers and I'm 16 kilometers away from Puerto Viejo. It's 4:30, so I should get there, before it's dark or anything like that. The sun's getting a little low, but it's beautiful. It's super flat, pretty easy riding. So I'm just gonna put my head down and do the last 16. Okay. Hey. Alright guys, I'm here in the hostel now. It's the first dorm I've had being here for almost 3 weeks that has actually had other people in it. Every other dorm I've been on my own, and this has I think 4 other people in it, or 3 other people in it. Unbelievable. But yeah, it was a pretty crazy day. I'll probably go into it more like tomorrow or something like that, and I'll just like tack it onto the end of the video because like so much happened. I didn't really get a chance to film a lot, and it just like was a lot of rushing around trying to catch buses and then trying to like beat daylight to get here before it got dark. But yeah, it was a pretty good day. Super flat ride from Limon to Puerto Viejo. Pretty enjoyable. I just put my head down and kept going. Hey guys, so I'm just working on yesterday's video and I thought I'd quickly show you around the hostel. So yeah, I got in pretty late last night, so I didn't really get a chance to show you guys, but this is like the kitchen area and just like the hangout spot, I suppose. As you can see, it's all just on the beach basically. It's the stoves, the sink and everything. It's a bit of a rough hostel, but it's also got its like character as well, you know. Up here's like the bathrooms in here. I only just found out today that you're not supposed to flush toilet paper in Costa Rica, but no one ever mentioned that to me until today. So out here is like the backyard, and there's some camping over there, which is pretty cool. There's a bunch of hammocks and stuff out here, and then just up here is the beach. So it's a pretty sick location. I'm here for 2 more nights, and then it's probably bus back to San Jose, and I fly out back to the US on Friday. So that'll be the end of my tour. Yeah, so yesterday was a crazy day. I got up too late. I should have started at the 5 o'clock ferry, but I started on the 7 o'clock ferry. And by the time I got to like the mainland, it was 8 o'clock. Then I had 50 kilometers to get to Guapiles, and that's where I was waiting for the bus. So I've got to the bus station, and they told me, I'm sure they told me 2, but as I've now worked out, she must have meant it arrives in Limon at 2. So I was just like sitting there, yeah, I'll make a video and just do an update in a bit. I was eating food, talking to my girlfriend. Then all of a sudden she's like waving at me. And I thought, what does she want? She must want me to pay or something. And then I sort of like wandered up there, and she's like, oh, like 5 minutos. I was like, what? I was like, no, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's in 5 minutes. So I had to like quickly organize all my stuff. I was like a bit spread out on the bench there. Then I managed to like hop on the bus, that was all okay. Then I was just sort of like a bit dehydrated, needed to pee, and ate some more food on the bus. Then I got to Limon, and it was, the rest of the day went pretty well. I was just like a little bit under the pump because I wanted to get here before it got dark. And yeah, that's why I just didn't get like too much of a chance to stop and yeah, do any videos. But it was a good day all in all. Didn't really have any issues. This hostel, I think I'm paying 11 US a night, which is, I mean, you saw the location, like it's right on the beach, so it's pretty good. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll probably be doing a bit of a ride tomorrow, and that might just pretty much finish up the trip, unless I might do a bit of a video in San Jose when I'm riding to my hostel. But yeah, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers, so if you just subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. If you've got any questions about cycling Costa Rica, just leave a comment and I'll try and answer it.